An inevitable end of all mortals, as lifeless body of a former Minister of Justice and a renowned legal luminary, Chief Bola Ajibola Bola Ajibola, arrived at Belkuta preparatory to the final stage of his sojourn on earth. Indeed, an end to another era, as the eldest surviving son of late Oba Salami Bunmi Adigu bade the world farewell at the age of 89. Expectedly, for a man who made appreciable impacts that transcended beyond Nigeria, his home at Olusegun Obasanjo Hilltop Estate has shot into limelight, with sympathizers condoling the family. Among early callers is the former president of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, who declined comments. The late legal icon and a devout Muslim who founded the Islamic movement in Africa and Crescent University both in Abeokuta will be laid to rest at his Islamic center.
We are making all arrangements possible to lay him down for God Almighty to take charge of this afternoon. So that's why we're all here making several efforts.
The former Attorney General and Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, late Ajibola, rose to peak of his career when he was appointed a judge at the International Court of Justice, Hague, in the Netherlands.
His legacy in education, his legacy in governance, and his legacy for the nation in terms of the meritorious service in the international arena. He was also concerned in terms of his charitable and philanthropic work. He founded African Concern, and I think he was also president of the NBA. I think he should also have on record that when he was Minister of Justice and Attorney General, he did not receive a salary. He asked for his salary to be divided between NBA and other charities. So for the 4 years he served, he did not take any salary from the nation.
And Prince Bola Ajibola is a great loss to us in Owo. It's a colossus. I really will miss him.
He also served Ogun State at the time as chairman of the highly revered Elders Consultative Forum and attended the prestigious Baptist Boys High School at Belkuta. Bunmi Adigu OGTV News. Final moments of Prince Bola Ajibola Bola Ajibola. The last from the people, and what he is left with is between him and his God. It was a moment to behold as he left the world on the day set aside as Islamic Mission for Africa's Ramadan lecture, which was why the gathering was doubled. Little did they know it was their founder's last day on earth. And his remains was committed to Mother Heart after the chief imam of Egba, Sadalat Bangbola, led the prayers to the body of the deceased. Immediately after the dust-to-dust rite came the Vice President of Nigeria, Yemi Osinbajo, received by the Deputy Governor, Engineer Nemat Salako Yedele, who represented the Governor of Ogun State.
Attorney General of the Federation from 1986 to 1991. Gbogbo ọgbà yẹn èmi ni special adviser wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n mú mi bí ọmọ ni. Gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo kọ́ ń gbà yẹn, gbogbo ìmọ̀ tí wọ́n mú mi mọ̀ ń gbà yẹn náà ni mo lò láti máa di Attorney General lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Almighty Allah overlook his shortcomings, and may Almighty Allah accept his good deeds and grant him Al-Jannah Firdaus. We express our condolences to his widow, his children, and all his family for this irreparable loss.
Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, Chief Olusegun Oshoba, the State Chief Judge, and other eminent personalities came to pay their last respects from the International Criminal Court in The Hague to the seat of religion in Saudi Arabia, from Owu Kingdom to Ijako, the university community, Crescent, to other parts that Prince Bola Ajibola belongs to. While alive, all came out to say goodbye.
For us as a father, he meant so many things. He was very loving, caring, but he was a strict disciplinarian. He was a very strict disciplinarian, very firm and very tough personality. And he never allowed us to get out of hand in any way he could help it.
Governance and his legacy for the nation in terms of the meritorious service in the international arena. He was also concerned in terms of his charitable and philanthropic work. He founded African Concern, and I think he was also president of the NBA. I think he should also have on record that when he was Minister of Justice and Attorney General, he did not receive a salary. He asked for his salary to be divided between NBA and other charities.
We have lost him. We have lost him as a jurist. This was somebody that was an embodiment of legal practice, an embodiment of juristic, interpretation, or embodiment of what it takes to be a legal mind. And for us, we can only have solace in Allah.
Prince Bola Ajibola died early morning of Sunday at the age of 89. He is survived by wife, children, and grandchildren. Bunmi Adigu OGTV News.